Welcome back to my channel Spice of Life. Today we are making the delicious and healthy snack crispy soya kebabs. They are high in protein, full of flavor and perfect for tea time, parties or even lunch boxes. These kebabs are crispy on the outside, soft inside and full of flavor, plus they are 100% vegetarian. Let's dive right in. First, soak half cup of chana dal for around 30 minutes in a boiling water. Add half tablespoon of salt and 1 cup of soya chunks. Boil it for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain it. Here I have taken 1 onion, garlic, ginger, bay leaves, soaked dal and boiled soya chunks. In a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now add chana dal, bay leaf, ginger, garlic, onion, soya chunks. Saute for a minute. Green cardamom, garam masala powder, jeera powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, Kashmiri lal mirch and salt. Saute for 1 or 2 minutes. Add half cup of water and cook on high flame for 1 whistle, and then for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame. Cool it down, check if dal is cooked properly. Now we will blend it into a coarse paste. Add add onion, chopped onions, coriander, Kashmiri lal mirch and kevra if you like it. Mix everything well. Form it into a kebab shapes, and you can air fry it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or shallow fry on medium heat until golden and crispy on both the sides. You can serve it hot with mint chutney, onion and lemon wedges. It's full of fiber and plant protein, guilt-free indulgence. If you love this recipe, hit like button, share with your foodie friends and subscribe for more healthy bites. Thank you for watching.